Jai Hind everyone. I am Shruti Jain, Assistant Professor, MCA Department, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today, I will be discussing upon the topic Introduction to Online Social Network. This is covered under the subject Privacy and Security in Online Social Media, and the subject code is KCA 031. So first, let's understand what a network is. So if we talk about a network, it consists of two or more computers which are linked together because they wanted to share some of the resources. That could be in terms of printer or maybe the CD or maybe scanner, these kind of things. These are the resources, or maybe exchange of files, or to allow the electronic communication between the two devices using a network, maybe a LAN, WAN network, so that the mails can be sent or some messages can be sent. So these computers on a network can be linked through the cables, telephone lines, Wi-Fi network, infrared, satellite, etc. Now, when it comes to a social network, when we add the social component to it, it becomes a social network. So it is a social structure which is composed of different individuals or the organizations who are connected by various type of relations. That could be friendship, maybe a college relation or a professional relation or a common interest, some kind of these kind of relationships. The next comes the social networking, which refers to grouping of different individuals or organization on the basis of their common interest, so that they can share their thoughts, their interest or the activities, and they are using some media. That could be like a Wi-Fi, that could be a get together, meeting personally, it could be any kind of it. So when we talk about the online social network, we have online social network as the network which is being formed on online, where the people are not meeting face to face, but they are interacting with each other using a platform. That could be a mobile or a laptop, or some networks like Facebook, Instagram, etc. So we have several social media networking sites for instant messaging, sharing or posting views and much more. So many people in the world are connected through these online social networks, because when we are meeting personally, we have the constraint of, we have geographical constraints, but when we are meeting online, when we are meeting through online media, therefore that geographical constraint is not there. Even the people who are in business, they use social media to plan the target audience and execute it via attractive advertisements that pop up when you are using any of the social media platform. And it also helps them, the people, to trace the audience ideas by throwing multiple options to customers, getting feedback from them. There are multiple surveys which help the people to interact on the online social network. Now, this online social network is termed as a group-centered, which is described as website that simplify the building of complex systems where the people can share their content through web pages. It also offers an interaction space where the people can interact with each other and build up new social tie-ups. This could be in terms of their like shared interest or maybe some professional gathering. So if we talk about the success of social networking sites, it is clearly visible nowadays, because we can see that multiple sites like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, these are connecting trillions of people from every corner of the world, not only just one country, but every country in the world. So if we look at the statistics, an average of 14 billion users are the active users who log in daily to see and update their newsfeed. LinkedIn, if we talk about LinkedIn, it is a career-based social networking site where the people can share their openings related to a product, or this is more of a job-oriented kind of a platform. So if we look into the examples of social media apps, we have the examples as, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, Mods, ShareChat. These are some of the examples which help the people to interact with each other. So first, coming to some of the most popular online social networks. The first one is Facebook. It is also known as Meta. Nowadays it is known as Meta, and it was launched in the year 2004. Now, this Facebook is can be accessed from any of the device where we have the internet connection. like PCs, tablets, smartphones, and most of the people, not only the people but the children, are also accessing Facebook, because here we can share our thoughts, we can get in touch with our friends who are not staying nearby but in any part of the world. So the pros of it are this Facebook helps in keeping in touch with other people. We can share the content with them, and we can keep a journal of who all have been, like, we have a list of data that we have shared on Facebook till date. But when we talk about the consequences of it, we don't have any privacy, though we are having nowadays a lot of privacy concerns that are arising up. We have different privacy settings which help the people to keep their data private, but still there is no privacy that needs to be taken care of, and the people are using it for advertising purposes as well. The next popular network that we have, platform that we have, is Instagram, which is also known as Insta. It is basically a photo sharing platform where the people can share short reels or short videos or the photos, and they can show it or share it with other people. Now, it is also kind of a, like we have discussed about Facebook, it is also known as a meta platform. And as an Instagram user, the people can upload pictures, short videos, follow others' feed, and geotag images with their location names. So this is one of the features that is given by Insta. Coming to pros and cons, it is again a very great visual medium, and it helps in effective promotion of anything that you want to do. It has an appealing interface, and it is great for the travelers because you can geotag the images with the location names. As a consequences, we have a lot of advertisement, very few features that are available. A fair share of technical drawbacks are there, and it does not have reach that the Facebook has. And we can also have the image theft issue, where the people can morph your images and can display it in some other way, or maybe use it for some other purposes. The next platform that we have is LinkedIn. It is a professional social networking site where we have which is being used by the professionals to get where they can show their openings in their organizations, and people who are interested with a similar interest can come up and look for the jobs. It was launched in 2003. It is mainly used for white collar networking and job development. Here the job hunters can upload their resumes and the employers can post their jobs. So coming to pros and cons, it is great for professional development, networking opportunities are there, search engine friendly, and profile updates can be done. Coming to consequences, here again we have spam connections, because you are like, people can come in touch with you and get the data, or may display fake jobs. Then there are again the privacy concerns, because you are uploading your biodata which has everything that gives the whole of the information about you, and purchasing the premium account of LinkedIn can be expensive. The next one that we have is Twitter. Twitter is microblogging or social networking platform where the users can post or interact with tweets. We have very short tweets which are posted onto the Twitter, and it is nowadays known by X, capital X. The people can post their tweets, and the people can even retweet that post, so that it can be it can spread in a very faster way. This platform also allows user to post, like, or retweet the tweets, while unregistered users may read the public tweets. Now, it was launched in July 2006. It now allows the users to share the videos or pictures and like the content that are posted by others as well. Coming to pros and cons, again, it has a wide range of audience reach, and it is a kind of a marketing tool where you can market whatever you market, the product or the service that you want to do, and it is freely available to all the users. Coming to consequences, we still have the spam accounts where the people can make fake accounts and can get or can advertise in a way that they are the original accounts, and it is the tweets that you are posting, those are more prone to negative comments as well. The most commonly used, WhatsApp. It is since the introduction of smartphones, WhatsApp has become highly popular among Indians. not only Indians, all over the world. It is a kind of a messenger where you can message to the people who are far away from you. Also, the video calling features, the voice calling features are all enabled in WhatsApp. The advantage of WhatsApp is that all the conversations are encrypted, which means that the privacy concerns are not hampered over here. Wherever you are using this app, it is not just at one place that you are secure, but wherever you are using the app, your data or your conversations are secured. Coming to pros and cons, again, WhatsApp is most widely used and you can share your live locations, audio and video calling is there. And you also have the ability to form the groups where you can talk about your shared interest or the common interest. Coming to consequences, WhatsApp calling is limited to some of the countries. The file size is again limited. No animated structures. Contacts need to be saved whenever you are contacting on WhatsApp. The next one is Telegram, which is again a globally available multi-platform, which is cloud-based instant messaging app. It is a kind of an alternative to WhatsApp. It has almost all the features that the WhatsApp has. Coming to pros and cons, it is again alternative to WhatsApp. End-to-end encryption is also there in Telegram, and it allows a heavy file transfer, which was not there in WhatsApp. As a consequences, it is not entirely free and it is not very widely used because WhatsApp is widely used nowadays. Now, coming to major contributions to the society, these social media platforms have enhanced the communication and connectivity because the people all over the world can communicate with each other and they can be connected, which was not possible when you are meeting personally. Information sharing and access to knowledge, because social media platforms has a lot of information stored in it. People from different places put in their ideas. So, people can share their information and also can get access to whatever they need when they are using the social media platform. It also helps in community building and support the network. Online social media helps in making the community where the people of common interest can come together and talk about and plan for some other things maybe that are good for the society. The communities can be based on their shared interests, their hobbies, identities or causes. It also forms as a catalyst for social and political movement. Not only the people are using it for social purposes, but also for political movement, wherein if any political party wants to advertise something, the social media platform is a very powerful medium so that they can advertise their advertisements or they can keep their point of view in front of the people. It also serves as a platform for activism, advocacy and raising the awareness about the social justice issues, human right violation and political reforms. These also have an impact on business and economic because the way the marketing was there in the previous times and nowadays has been totally revolutionized with the advent of these online social platforms. It has a different targeted audience who are effectively using these advertisements and on the online social platform. It also has facilitated the rise of influencer marketing, e-commerce platforms and online marketplaces. Cultural exchange and diversity, because the people from all over the world are meeting together. So, there is an exchange of culture and diversity and the people from different backgrounds and region are coming together and sharing their thoughts. So, it promotes the cultural diversity, tolerance and understanding of different cultures by exposing users to a wide range of culture content and their viewpoint. Educational and professional development, the people can take information from the online social platforms in all those subjects in which they want to grow. So, we have different online courses, we have educational content using which users can grow professionally as well as in academics as well. Health and well-being awareness, these online social platforms are also used for making aware the people about their health consciousness, health conscience and the well-being. And there are multiple groups where the people are talking about the physical fitness or disease prevention for mental health. So, these are the communities which are helping people to be aware of all those kind of information. Now, coming to how it has been transformed from offline to online. First, let's understand what a community is. Community is nothing but a social unit or a group of living beings who are living together and they are sharing something. So that could be a place, it could be a religion or the values or custom or identity. So when the people of common interest in terms of place, community, religion, they come together, they form a community. So coming to what an offline community is. Offline community is when the people are meeting personally and interacting face to face with each other. That is an offline community. There we do not need any social platform as a medium for their communication. These can be formed as like the people in the neighborhoods or the local communities can meet together in social gatherings. They can organize events or they can meet together and watch some program. So that is the neighborhood or the local communities. Religious or faith-based communities where the people of common religion can come together and organize some of the events. The people can also meet in social clubs or organizations where they share their common interests, hobbies or activities. It could be a workplace communities where the people are working together in an organization or an office. They form a professional relationship there and they collaborate on different projects or engage in team building activities. Now coming to online community, the online community is a community where the group of people are interacting with the help of an online platform using an internet. For example, we have the brand communities, learning communities, interest communities, fan communities, etc. So here again these can be formed around various interests, hobbies, professions or identities, and they often provide a platform for people to share the information, discuss topics of mutual interest, seek support or build relationship. Now some of the characteristics of online communities. There the people have digital interaction. They are not meeting personally, but they are using digital tools and platforms to interact with each other. Here again the communities are formed on shared interest or some purpose for which the community is being built. It could be on the basis of their shared interest, passion, hobby, cause or any identity. The major characteristic or the major advantage of online community is here it has a global reach. It is not limited to a particular location. Instead, the people all around the world can come together and join a community. It has a global reach. Here it has a user generated content. The people can like share their thoughts in the form of posts, comments, photos, videos or the discussions that are collectively shaping the community identity, culture or dynamics. It also gives a sense of belongingness to the members who are connected with each other. It also helps to enhance their relationship and they provide mutual support among individuals whenever they are in need. Now, what makes a good online community? It should have a clear purpose and share goal. It should not be the case that the community is being developed, but they are not having any goal on which they are working. So, members should understand the purpose of the community and they are motivated to contribute towards its objective. The people should have active engagement and participation because the people are not meeting face to face or in person. That is why the active engagement is very much required so that the community can grow. Inclusive and welcoming atmosphere because the people from different backgrounds or different perspective are coming. So, the diversity of perspective, background and experiences should be celebrated and the atmosphere of the community should be such that it welcomes the people who are coming to that community instead of any discrimination, harassment or bullying happening. Affecting communication channels. Here when we are talking about the online social platforms, we have some of the platforms which help the people to discuss in the form of forums, chat rooms, messaging apps, video conferencing platforms. So, these all platforms help the people to communicate in a much better way. Then we have value adding content and resources. Obviously, the content should be value added so that the people can understand and they can experience and help in the growth of the community. It should be the community should have the supportive and helpful community members so that the people can help each other to grow and they can encourage or motivate them wherever a person is feeling low. It also gives us the opportunities for collaborating and networking, because the people all over the world are meeting together. They are sharing the resources, so it helps them to grow, collaborate, and get to know different people from different parts of the world. Now, coming to some of the security threats that are there on online social media platform. The first one is phishing. It is a type of a cyber attack where the attackers are deceiving the user into providing sensitive information such as their username, password. They steal that information and create some fake login pages or messages are sent to those people to hack their data. Then we have different scams wherein we have we are getting some of the fraud schemes which are designed to deceive the user into giving away money or their personal information or access to their accounts. Some example could be fake charity appeals that are coming nowadays on maybe through emails or advertisements. Then we have viruses and malwares which can spread through social media platform via malicious links or infected attachments, or they are compromising the accounts. Whenever you click on any of the suspicious links, some of the files get downloaded unknowingly from unknown sources to your system, and they hack those data. Information disclosure, it occurs when sensitive or private information is unintentionally or maliciously shared on the social media platform. This could include the personal details such as addresses, phone numbers, birth dates, etc. There could be a possibility of creation of fake accounts where the people impersonate themselves as a legitimate users and try to contact with other people and get their information, portraying themselves as a person who is known to those users. Again, the malwares, these are short for malicious softwares which encompasses various type of malicious programs that are designed to infiltrate, damage or disrupt the computer systems. Some of the challenges, opportunities or pitfalls in online social network. The first one is, the first challenge that we have is the data quality issue, finding the relevant data onto the online social network, deciding what data to collect. Then privacy concerns, where the OSNs collect vast amount of user data, raising concerns about their privacy, data protection and unauthorized access. There are some of the cyber security threats where phishing attacks are there, malware distribution as we have just seen. There is the challenge for misinformation or fake news that keeps on spreading on online social network. Social engineering and online harassment, where the problems like online harassment, cyberbullying or trolling takes place. Some of the opportunities here, the people have an opportunity to communicate with the people from all over the world and build a connection or a network. People can access information or share information so that it helps others and they can get help themselves. Community engagement and activism, it's OSN serves as a platform for community engagement, civic participation, social activism, enabling the users to raise awareness, mobilize support and advocate for social causes. It also helps in market research and getting the audience insight so that the next product that is going to be developed can be developed in such way. Some of the difficulties, addiction and overuse. People are more addicted to use these online social platforms, which leads to anxiety, depression, loneliness or low self-esteem. Filter bubbles or echo chambers, these are may create, like the OSN algorithms may create filters where the users are exposed to content that reinforces their existing beliefs, preferences or biases. Then reputation management or digital footprints. These leave the digital footprint that can impact the user's online reputation, because all the data that is being given to online social platform is being saved at some or the other place. Information overload or disinformation, because a lot of information is getting shared on the online social network. So the people are overloaded with lot of information, which could also contain some of the information which is not of their use. Thank you.